Hello, how's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are having a wonderful evening after you just watched that those wonderful few clips from Birch Creek this weekend at the area qualifier. My first ever area qualifier, in fact, for those of you guys that did not know. But, yeah, so you guys are probably wondering, how did we do? I mean, I'm sure you guys done saw from the thumbnail how we did. But anyways, yeah, so all I know is it was a wonderful, wonderful weekend. We did way better than we did as good as expected. I expected to get top 5, be able to run in top 5. I was really really hoping for like a top 3. We got really close. We got 4th. We got 4th on Sunday, so that's pretty good. I mean, could have been better. So, but we did as well as expected. I expected to get run top 5, top 6, which we did. And you guys are probably saying, well, you got 7th in 2 classes. Well, it's because in one moto we went down and got 11th and got 5th, and the average out to be like 7th or something like that. And then the other one, we got like 10th and 5th or something. I don't know what the heck we got really. I know that we got at least 5th on one day. Anyway, you guys know what I'm saying. We did amazing, okay? Amazingly good. But there's a lot of work we gotta do, okay? Because if we can't run top 3 already, then we're slacking, okay? We're running behind. We only got 2 months to train for this flipping crapping PA, dude. We gotta go to friggin' High Point, dude. This place is going to be massive, okay? And I don't mean like massive as in like big. I mean like big, but I mean big jumps, big everything. Everything's gonna be massive. I mean it's gonna be something different than what we're used to. But I mean, a lot of things we gotta work on. We gotta catch up on. And yeah, I mean, and everybody, I don't hear anybody talking about it. I mean, that was like one of the hardest races ever, bud drain. Okay, and on the pass ran just this weekend as well. They had like, judging off of some of the videos I've seen, their classes only had like 30 people in them. My C class on Sunday was had 56 signups. We had to do 2 different divisions so you could qualify. Okay, I don't hear crap out of any of you dang guys, okay? Because we had to go through a friggin' lot, okay? Anyways, thank you guys so much for doing stuff, for watching. If you could, please subscribe, like, and comment down below something. I don't know what you want to comment, just comment whatever. Yeah, we're going to get into this. Let's start of a new return. Just kidding. We'll probably make another video in about a month. Crossing our fingers, it'll be once a week, but Then again, it's kind of like, ugh, I don't really want to say. We'll see. Hopefully we can. Oh yeah, they made me take my GoPro mount off because AMA rules say no GoPros on helmets. So I guess I'll put something on front right here, maybe one right here, some crap like that. Maybe I'll do a chest mount, which is probably trash, really. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace.